Several years ago, when we first started our company, we used a different manufacturer for our CNC equipment, and we felt that they were light and almost disposable. We wanted something that was going to go for the long haul, that was going to last for us and be consistent. And so we chose Takumi.
Well, that's what with the accuracy of these machines, it impresses me. And like I said, I've been in this field for over 30 years. The fact that I've yet to make an offset adjustment once I have the program set amazes me.
My name is Dee Spencer. I'm owner of Gillette Industrial Services in Easton, Pennsylvania. Gillette Industrial Services is a full-service machine shop and fabrication facility. We specialize in support equipment for the Department of Defense, and we also work in the commercial world in packaging equipment.
Materials that we cut generally aluminum 6061, 7075. As far as steels, 303, 304. We did some 4140, pH 17. We'll get into the hard stuff, but these things it's a beast. It's amazing to me how it can handle these cuts, and you don't hear as much as like a hesitation in the machine. The heat in the shop today is going to be ungodly hot. And with the cooling system on these machines, I never have ever had to make an adjustment in the offsets, which is amazing to me. On other brands, the second the temperature goes up, you're constantly making adjustments. But with these machines, I've yet to make an adjustment.
We've had no complaints on the quality of our product, and we have the highest amount of inspection on it because the government comes out and inspects them at our facility here. And so if there were a problem, it would be caught immediately, and we've had 100% acceptance on our products, so we're really proud of that.
In the jobs that we do, we were forced to buy a bigger machine to handle a bigger cut, so we got the V15. And to me, the horsepower helped tremendously. It allowed me to take deeper cuts, faster cuts, without sacrificing tolerance or not even putting a strain on the machine.
We love our Takumi machines. They help us stay on track. They help us produce our product. And we're really proud of the warfighter and like to thank them every day.